Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. We meet in the bathroom. I'm getting ready to go out with my sisters. I was trying to find a good place to film this video, but my room, for some reason, the light is just horrible. So I had to stay in the bathroom. It's artificial lights, but still, that's better than the one in my room. I don't have many vlogs. I decided to kind of take you with me today. I feel like I want to go all out, but I don't want to. I don't know, because I've got this new hair. It's color 8. It's like a pick and drop color 8 that I've done. When did I do this? Last Saturday? Yeah. It was straight initially. Eyeliner, or should I just put the white inside? My blush is really pigmented, so when I did, I need to clean it on a tissue first before I put it on. Then I put it here. I'm gonna go all out with the mascara, with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Lash Multiplying Mascara. Should I put in my bottom lashes? Maybe not. I don't know, should I put in my bottom lashes? No, I think it's good. The only thing I need to put is lipstick that I think I'll put after I remove these. On with this. It's from setting spray. Almost finished actually, but it's really good. I think it makes the makeup last and also makes it blend all together. Okay, let's change room so I can remove the curls and show you how they look. I don't think you can see it much from here. Okay, this light is way better. Should have come here. So I curled these today. Because I wanted to kind of change. I had them straight and they were cute but also boring. Like, it didn't frame my face at all. And you couldn't see this beautiful brown. I want this color to show. Okay, you can already see a big difference. Oh. Okay, I like it. Okay, I need to put this on this. And then I'll come back because I can't do it here. Okay, now I think I need to add a bit of red, but probably we'll do that after. Should I remove the curls or leave it like this? And it makes sense to remove them, so I'm just gonna divide them. Just gonna run through them with my hands. Okay. Oh my gosh, it feels so beautiful. What do you guys think? I think this looks nice. Should I dry it or should I just let it air dry? I'm not bothered, so I'll probably let it air dry. This is how it looks. I feel cute. Or maybe I can do something like this. You know when you like, you're like, yes, I look cute. Maybe like this. So we've decided this is the look. The only thing I need to do is to, this lipstick doesn't give me the vibe, so I think I need to make it darker. I'll add some red, and I need to find something to wear on top, but I think I was just gonna wear a leather jacket or something else. I will see, because it's quite hot outside. I'm not gonna wear a jacket. Okay, let's go and get ready. This one is beautiful. The curls are popping. Sorry if I sound cringy, but they're just very cute. The first shop we're going to is a shop where we can buy a lot of meat and like things like gizzard and things like that. So I will take you with me. For fun video. See you there. qua. Non mi ricordo che metteva. So we have plantain, coconut, peanuts, and a lot of fish. Yeah, you know breakfast. See, prawns. Guys, we're thinking of buying flowers for Mother's Day. I bet so, yeah. But I'm not sure they're so beautiful. Now at Tesco, we'll show you everything we bought when we get home. I'm trying not to film too obviously because we are gonna get some avocado fish. And then I can show people more. Okay, because we're there, yeah. It's about it. Hi guys, so I've got like after we went to Tesco, we went to this shop to buy like things for hair, African hair, and then we were thinking of buying, I can see it because we're thinking of buying flowers for my mom to get delivered at home tomorrow for Mother's Day. But this woman, like, it was like an open shop inside the shopping center. This woman was like, okay, like we said, we would like these flowers, and she's like, those are sold out. And then she would move, and then okay, put your dress here. You want like, she was so like going around everywhere. We're like, you know what? I think it's better if we leave because it was so confusing and so hectic. And at the end of the day, we just say it's fine, like we're just gonna go. So we think we're gonna like look up online. For flowers to get delivered at home, like online, hopefully by for tomorrow, because that place that we went was so hectic. Like, put me under pressure because she was pressure, like she was stressed, and she put me under stress because I didn't know what flowers to pick, things like that. But despite that, when we get home, we'll show you like a small haul, and obviously we also like cook everything with you guys. Bye. Just a quick haul. We've got broccoli salad, beef, cherry tomatoes. My sister's cutting the peppers. We've got turkey that we will do like in slice. We've got prawns to put on a stick. Just a couple of more seasoning that we were lacking. Beef for suya, parmigiano reggiano, cheese for the ravioli. We've got ravioli. Oh yeah, beef ravioli with parsley. We bought grapes. Nuts to boil, Nigerian nuts, avocado, then plantain to put on a stick with gizzard, chicken gizzard, and peppers and my sister's cutting. And yeah, we'll see as we get along. So I've washed it. I'm just gonna remove the skin and divide it in slices. So as of now, we have plantain, fried, and gizzard. So these will go together with a sauce that I'm going to show you now. Parsley ready to be chopped, and prawns. So this is the final result after the plantain, gizzard, and the sauce I showed before had been mixed together. Seasoning. This is how it looks. things are done, I'm gonna show you.